Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about the DECODEN TOPLOADER because when I tried to find more information about it on YouTube, I couldn't really find much in English. So I've decided to share my journey with everyone who might also be interested in this crafting trend. So what is DECODEN anyway? It's a term that derived from Japanese dekodenwa, which means decorated phone, and it became a thing back in the early 2000s where you would customize your phone with stickers and diamonds and different charms. You can actually decorate anything you want that has a flat surface, but it's more popular to do on phone cases nowadays. From what I've discovered, for the DECODEN phone case, these days people mostly use silicone because after drying it still stays a little flexible, which is just perfect. But for top loaders, you only need a few milliliters of it, and it's just too much hassle because you have to dye it yourself using disposable cups and piping bags, and it can be tricky because if you mess up the ratio, it might never even dry at all. And to get only one color, you still have to buy a whole bottle of dye. So here's where we get this ingenious crafting material: imitation cream, simulation cream, fake whipped cream, or anything else you'd like to call it. When I watched videos of DECODEN TOPLOADER on the internet, I saw many people use the same brands, but not many actually talk about the materials they use. So I tried searching for them online, and boy, do prices differ. I ended up ordering this pack of 6 on Amazon for quite a reasonable price, and they also came with all these nozzles, which is super nice. Then I found these other ones on Temu. Some of them came with free nozzles too, and out of all I've found so far, these are the cheapest, and there's a big variety of colors too. There's also another type of the same thing, which is transparent imitation cream, and I could only find it on AliExpress, and it was quite hard to find them for a good price too, because many of them just don't ship to my address. So I've ordered just a couple, and they finally arrived today, so I can't wait to use them. I also ordered a separate batch of nozzles because I didn't expect any of the creams to come with free nozzles, so now I have a whole bag of them. Now let's talk about the charms and trinkets used to put on top of that fake cream. There are tons of them out there, created for different crafting purposes. A lot of them you can get from a manicure supply section because they're tiny, just like we need them. I tried ordering mixed colors of random things so that I don't end up with tons of leftover decorations afterwards, and still, they all look so cute and perfect that I bought a whole bunch of them. I've got different rhinestones, some glitter, fruit, chains, hearts, butterflies, flowers, bows, literally anything I thought I'd need for DECODEN. I ordered a few storage boxes for these because I didn't want to keep them in their original bags that are not securely closed, and also to kind of separate some of them by color. To search for them online, you can use these keywords: DIY charms, resin decorations, nail decor, acrylic jewelry decorations, jewelry charms, accessories making. Just try these words in different combinations and you'll find everything you need. So let's take a look at how my first ever DECODEN TOPLOADER turned out. I just got this Onyu photo card and I decided to decorate it. I apologize for the camera angle where you can barely see it. It's my first time. First of all, I tried deciding on the color scheme and the charms I want to use and sort of map out the design, but I was a little overwhelmed with excitement and desire to use literally everything I had, so I decided to just wing it. I tested it out on a piece of paper first, just put a few blobs of cream and decided that's enough practice. My piping technique definitely needs some improvement, but I guess it's something that comes with experience. I was so curious to find out what it actually is. I thought maybe it's some kind of clay or glue or even silicone. And I'm so glad I finally did. It's straight up glue. It smells like it feels like it, there's no doubt about it. Ta-da! I'm done with piping and it kinda looks cute already. It starts to set in around 10 minutes, so after piping it out, you have to put decorations as soon as possible. And at this moment, I realized I can't choose the right decorations. I had too many choices and I was just lost. So I guess it's only beneficial to come up with the design beforehand instead of feeling pressured to decide because the glue starts to set so quickly. Here's the end product, and it's glossy at first, but then it becomes more matte as it dries and hardens. After that, I wanted to try out another technique, so here's my second ever DECODEN TOPLOADER. I chose the colors and the main charms, and I just put aside the smaller ones that I might need in the process. Onto the glue. So I really didn't know what I was doing at that moment. I just put white, then blue, then the teal on top and decided to just mix it all up in a swirly kind of pattern. This process was really messy and the glue got on my hands many times, but wet wipes work perfectly in this case, and even if you got something that you wish you hadn't on the top loader, you can always just wipe it off seamlessly. And this is the final result. One day later, I decided to check on it and try to clean the nozzles. And as you can see, the pink one got out in big chunks easily. But when I got to the purple nozzle, it was just not coming out. It was still soft inside, so I decided to just put it aside after struggling for a little bit. I was really careful with the top loader. I just wanted to check how it is, how it feels, and it definitely didn't feel like it's hard enough. Fast forward to one more day later. At this point I was sure it's completely dry and cleaning the nozzle was just a piece of cake. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful to anyone who's also interested in DECODEN TOPLOADER, and thank you for watching. Bye!